Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through some of the key changes introduced in the latest Braille Note Touch Plus update. While these updates may feel significant at first, they bring even greater benefits in the long run, making your experience smoother, faster, and more powerful. We will cover the following points. 1. Understand why KeyMath has been renamed to Keygraph. 2. How to insert math equation using the new equation editor. 3. How to make changes to your equation. And finally, 4. How to work with graphs. Let's take a closer look at the major change to math functionality. Our goal was to make entering equations easier and keep everything within the same environment. To achieve this, we've introduced a brand new equation editor built directly into Keyword. We'll explore exactly how it works in the next few minutes. Because of this improvement, KeyMath is no longer used for typing math equations. Its main role is now focused solely on graphing. To make that clear, we've renamed KeyMath to Keygraph. When working in Keyword, you will now have two choices. 1. To enter equations, press Enter with M. And 2. For graph creations, press backspace with M to open Keygraph. Hope that explains why we made this change. Let's check out how we can insert equations with these new improvements. The new equation editor has been introduced to simplify your workflow when working with math content in documents. We'll show you how to insert an equation shortly, but here's something important to note. If you already have Word documents with existing math content, you can now open them directly in Keyword, and all the math will automatically be translated into your preferred math code. First, let's make sure our math code settings are correct for the editor. From the main menu, select Word Processor, then open the Settings option from the Keyword menu. Here, you'll find an option called Preferred Braille Type for Math. Open it and select your preferred math code. Here's a captured video of changing these settings on the Braille Note.
Keyword. Settings. Settings menu. Manage personal dictionary. Preferred Braille type for math. Preferred Braille type for math. Français mathématique. Bottom. Settings menu. Preferred Braille type for math. Keyword. Set to main menu. Contact.
Now that we have our preferred math code selected, let's go ahead and create a new document and insert some math equations. When in the document, to insert a math equation, you will now use the new equation editor. Go ahead and press Enter with M to start entering math content.
Math start. Math mode on.
You will be prompted with Math Start, Math Mode On. On the display, you will be presented with the Math Start format marker. This is shown by dots 1, 2, 4, and 6, followed by the letters M and S. Please note that on the visual display, when in math mode, the visual characters will be Braille. Proceed to insert your math equation.
Dots 3B. Braille dots B. Braille dots 3D. Opening new math expression. Space. Dots B.
Remember, if at any point you need further help with your math skills, bring up the symbol selector by pressing backspace with dots 3 and 4. This is a great tool for learning your Braille math knowledge. You can create several lines of math content simply by pressing Enter. When finished with your math content, press Enter with M. You will get the prompt Processing Math. At any point to view the visual math content, press Enter with V. Of course, the document, if opened on a computer, will also show the actual text and not Braille. There may be times when you need to make changes to an equation. Perhaps something was entered incorrectly, or you accidentally left something out. To edit an existing equation, place your cursor on the equation's Math Start tag, which is shown with the abbreviation MS. Once your cursor is in position, press the same command used to insert math. Enter plus M. This will place you at the end of the equation, ready for you to make any edits. When finished making your amendments, simply press Enter with M again to exit the equation editor, and you'll be good to hand in your work. Just like entering an equation, you can also insert a graph using the Insert Graph shortcut. To start, press backspace with M to open Keygraph.
Edit box. Blank. Graphing calculator mode.
You will be prompted with your preferred math code, followed by Graphing Calculator mode. Now you're in Keygraph, where you can type in your formula to create your graph. In this example, I will go ahead and type 2y plus 3x equals 10.
C, X, dot 5, dot 2, dot 3, A, J. New line. Generating graph. Graph plotted from -5.
When you have finished with your graph creation, press backspace with E to export it back into Keyword.
Move the clipboard. Edit box.
Move your cursor to the spot where you'd like to place the graph and press the paste command. Backspace with V.
Paste it.
Your graph will now appear in the document. And that's it! I hope this tutorial helps you understand the new update and how to quickly add equations and graphs to your work.